Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, thanks for stopping by. It's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm just here today to share some cards that I've made that I've gotten inspired by Lisa Mears, which I've been doing lately, going through my card kits and making cards based off of the cards that she shares here on YouTube. Also, just by the cards that are shared in the project, they give you some cards here with inspiration on them. There's also a website for the Stamps of Life, and that's whose card kit club I belong to. So let's get started on these. I made this one. I made this one. I made this one. And then I made some others that were inspired, like I said, by Lisa Mears. And I'll put her link to her YouTube channel in the description below. So first, I made these two. I thought it was one of the ones, but it's not. And all of these items I got in the kit. So those two. I made these two. Sorry. This was my take on this one. This is my take. I don't have that scalloped edge punt or die, so I couldn't scallop the edge. And I did not want to see, this edge is what I'm talking about. And I didn't want to punch out all these hearts, so I didn't do that. But I did add the bow. I did add the ribbon. I add the gemmy in the sticker. I did do the metal cutout. And so, yep, that's how mine came out. And then I did this one here. Pretty much the same, except I don't have this blessed. I didn't cut out this blessed. And I don't have these flowers, I think, on mine. So I'll show you mine. These are the ones, these are what I came up with. So I moved this panel. You know, that's all the differences. One is up, one is down. Okay, so that's those two. And then I made this one too, and pretty much I did everything the same, except I didn't have this flower. So I have a different flower. And these are the ones that I made. And these are Prima flowers that I've had for millions of years. But those are the two. So those are the cards that I've made. And these are from the February kit. Almost a year ago. But hey, I'm using them. I'm getting to them. I'm building my card stash. I love it. Thank you guys all for stopping by. If you guys have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear about them. Go ahead and leave them below. And have a crafty day. Shakas!